This morning I'm going to make a blueberry compote to put over the banana bread that I made yesterday. So I just have a small thing of blueberries that I have rinsed off. We're going to need some, I'm using coconut sugar, but you can use like pure cane sugar or any kind of sugar. I don't have real lemons with us, so I'm using lemon juice. And I'll just have a little bit of butter to put on the banana bread to toast it up, and then just a little bit of water.
And if that's a vegan butter?
Yes. Okay, I've got my pan that is heated up here now. I'm going to go ahead and toss in my blueberries. And this is really simple. I'm going to put in probably about a tablespoon of coconut sugar. And then make sure that this is shook up here. I'm just going to put a little splash of lemon juice in here, depending on how much lemon you like. If you have a real lemon with you, you can go ahead and grate up a little bit of the rind. And I'm just going to put a little splash, maybe a tablespoon of water in there. We're just going to let that cook up, maybe 8 to 10 minutes. And just kind of let it get a little sauce to it. Alright, it's only been cooking maybe about 3 or 4 minutes. You can start to see it's starting to thicken up. The blueberries are starting to get softer, and they will start to kind of, I don't want to really say explode, but they do pop open. And so you're going to get the, all that juice from inside those blueberries as well. And I should mention, even though I used lemon juice, if you don't have lemon juice, you could always use orange juice, apple juice, pineapple juice, anything like that. It's just going to give you just a little bit of a different flavor, but it'll still work. Okay, now that this is starting to thicken up, it's done. I'm going to go ahead and remove it from the heat and set it aside. I'm just going to throw another pan on here, let this get warmed up. Over here I have put a light coat of butter on both sides of my banana bread. And as soon as that pan's warmed up, I'm going to go ahead and just put it in there, put a minute or 2 on each side till it gets nice and toasted up. Just a couple things while that is cooking. You could use this compote for many things. If you leave it warm the way it is, you can put it over French toast, pancakes, waffles, anything like that. You let it cool off. You can use it over any kind of dessert, ice cream, you know, you could just put it on toast, anything like that. So you can use it for many different things. And it doesn't just have to be blueberries. If you have strawberries or, you know, any kind of other fruit, you can do it the same way. Okay, I just flipped it over. It's getting toasted. Just about 30 more seconds on the other side and we should be good to go. Okay, it's all toasted up. I'm just going to go ahead and take some of this compote. It has thickened up even more. The longer it sits, the thicker it will get. And I'm just going to put a little scoop over the top of it.
Looks yummy.